Intro music. Host. Welcome to our channel where we show you how to make delicious and elegant dishes from around the world. Today, we will be showing you how to prepare scallops, a gourmet seafood favorite. We're going to take you through the steps of making a perfectly seared scallop with a flavorful and simple sauce. Cut to a shot of the host in a kitchen setting. Host. To prepare scallops, you will need fresh scallops, butter, garlic, lemon juice, and salt and pepper. We're going to be preparing the scallops in a pan to get that perfect sear. Cut to a shot of the host preparing the scallops. Host. Start by patting the scallops dry with a paper towel and seasoning them with salt and pepper. Then, melt some butter in a pan and add some minced garlic. Once the garlic is fragrant, add the scallops to the pan. Cut to a shot of the host cooking the scallops. Host. Cook the scallops on high heat for about 2-3 minutes on each side, or until they're golden brown and seared to perfection. Be sure not to overcook them, as they can become tough and rubbery. Cut to a shot of the host preparing the sauce. Host. While the scallops are cooking, prepare the sauce by adding some butter to a separate pan and melting it. Add some lemon juice and a pinch of salt, and mix until the sauce is well combined. Cut to a shot of the host presenting the finished scallops. Host. Now it's time to put it all together. Plate the scallops and pour the lemon butter sauce over them. You can also garnish them with some fresh herbs like parsley or chives for added flavor and presentation. Cut to a shot of the host taking a bite of the scallops. Host. These scallops are absolutely delicious. The combination of the perfectly seared scallops and the tangy lemon butter sauce is simply amazing. Cut to a shot of the host presenting the finished dish. Host. Thank you for watching our video on how to prepare scallops. We hope you try this recipe at home and impress your friends and family with this gourmet seafood dish. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and elegant recipes from around the world. Outro music.